Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a little tip. I always seem to miss this one, but it's really important. So you clean your car, you clean it all, it's good, you do your wheels, all that kind of stuff. But one area I always forgot about, and I do this in every car, and it does make a difference, is when you open the hood, there's always debris piled up here on these vents. And this is just what, from washing my car, and this has been probably a couple months now, it has a ton of debris in here. Very important to check that when you wash your car, get rid of it. Because what happens is this will pull air in right here. And that's when you get your outside air. So the Accord had these on both sides. This car only has it on one. So if these are plugged up with leaves, less air can get through. So it's going to affect your system inside your car when you put the air in, so outside air. And also, I've had it where, like, say the winter, you get some leaves in there and they get wet. This can actually make your air inside your car smell like that too. So it's a very simple thing, but like I said, personally, I always forget about it. You know, even when I clean my hood, like my engine compartment, all that kind of stuff, I always forget about taking the debris, and there's always something there too. You know, so it's a good idea to do. So it's right in here, you can see it. You can see the vents right there. So if you never pop your hood after you clean it, it's a good idea to do that. You know, you can use a vacuum if you want, a shop vac, whatever you need to do, but I would highly recommend every time you wash your car to open it and look at it. Like that was just from maybe a month or two. And it piles up so much, and you can get it so much where it blocks the whole entire vent. And you'll start smelling like a musty smell inside your car. So again, it's just some maintenance to do on any vehicle. It's important to do. You have to have that airflow through there, because you might be wondering, man, my vents kind of smell. And it could be your cabin air filter inside. But the first thing to check is make sure that's not plugged or has debris in it. And sometimes, like I said, if it's wet, they get wedged down inside there. You can take a shop vac and suck it out too if it's gone through those little holes. So it's just a good idea to check, a good maintenance item to keep your car running smooth and less problems with it. So I appreciate it, guys. I really do. Hope everyone's doing good out there. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.